Welcome to Khushab, a district tucked away in the heart of Pakistan, known for its breathtaking natural beauty, majestic waterfalls, and a climate that can only be described as paradise on earth. Imagine standing at the foot of a mesmerizing waterfall, with crystal clear waters cascading down from the green mountains, creating an oasis of serenity. Khushab is a place where nature's beauty thrives and tranquility reigns supreme. Khushab's landscape is a canvas painted with lush green mountains that stretch as far as the eye can see. These rolling hills are not just a treat for the eyes, but also offer a haven for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. The district boasts a network of hiking trails that wind through these green mountains. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual walker, Khushab's trails offer something for everyone. As you climb higher, the panoramic views of the district below are nothing short of breathtaking. But Khushab is more than just natural beauty. It's a treasure trove of history. Ancient historical places stand as silent witnesses to the region's rich past. These ancient architecture, a testament to the region's historical significance. Walking through the corridors, you can almost feel the echoes of history, the stories of warriors who once defended these walls. Beyond these ancient ruins, you'll find charming villages with traditional houses that have stood for centuries. These villages offer a glimpse into the culture and lifestyle of the local people, who have a deep connection to their heritage. Khushab enjoys a climate that's nothing short of idyllic. The moderate temperatures make it an ideal destination throughout the year. Whether it's the cool breeze in the summer or the crisp air in the winter, Khushab's weather always offers a warm welcome. Now, let's talk about one of Khushab's most unique aspects, its status as a home to endangered species. In the midst of this rugged terrain, a remarkable population of deer thrives, defying the odds of their harsh climate. These deer have adapted to the tough conditions of Khushab, showcasing nature's incredible ability to endure. It's a testament to the district's commitment to preserving its biodiversity.
Visitors can also participate in ecotourism initiatives, guided by knowledgeable rangers who provide insights into the unique flora and fauna of Khushab. Amidst Khushab's enchanting landscapes and unique wildlife, there's another hidden gem waiting to be unearthed, the Khushab pink salt mines. Khushab's pink salt is renowned for its purity and distinctive color, making it a prized commodity worldwide. Inside the mines, dedicated workers extract the salt, which has been forming for millions of years, and meticulously sorted for distribution. Khushab's pink salt isn't just valuable for its beauty. It's also used in a variety of products, from culinary salts to therapeutic spa treatments. The health benefits attributed to this salt are as diverse as the landscape itself. For those seeking relaxation and healing, Khushab offers the opportunity to experience salt cave therapy, where the natural microclimate of the salt caves is believed to have therapeutic properties. So, as the sun sets over the pink salt mines of Khushab, it's yet another reminder of the district's incredible diversity and the unique experiences it offers to those who venture here. Khushab, where the wonders of nature, the stories of history, the resilience of wildlife, and the allure of pink salt all come together in perfect harmony. Mingling of desert, river, and lush green mountains is a most diverse in natura. Come and discover Khushab, where every moment is a journey